If you're exploring options for setting up an online store, Shopify's free trial is a practical way to get familiar with the platform. In this video, I'll break down how the trial works, what features are included, and how you can extend it from the standard 3 days all the way up to 90 days, if you know where to look. First, make sure to check out our exclusive link in the description to access the extended trial deals, which you can't find directly on Shopify's website. Once you click it, you'll land on this page, where you just enter your email and hit Start Free Trial. Just keep in mind, this deal is only available to new Shopify users. But if you've signed up before, you can still use a new email to access it while the offer lasts. Next, set a password for your Shopify account and continue. Then you'll be asked a few basic questions about your business. You can just answer based on your current idea, and don't worry, you can always update it later. Or if you don't feel like filling it out right now, you can skip the whole thing by clicking the skip option in the bottom left corner. And for the notes, skipping won't affect much in your setup. Then you'll see the plan options for the $1 a month deal, but you can skip that too and head straight into the dashboard if you're not ready to pick a plan yet. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll see how many days you have left in your trial, so you can keep track as you explore. From there, you can start testing out Shopify features, things like customizing your theme, adding products, creating collections, and exploring the App Store. These are the core steps to help you get your store up and running. If you want your store to be visible to the public, you'll need to choose a Shopify plan. Right now, the $1 per month deal for 3 months is honestly the best offer I've seen. And the nice thing is, they only start charging you once your 3-day free trial ends. If you're just getting started with e-commerce, I recommend going with the basic plan because it already covers everything you'll need to launch and run your store. Okay, once you've picked a plan, making your site live is super simple. Just go to the online store section in your dashboard, click on Preferences, and scroll down to where it says Password Protection. Turn that off, and your store is officially live. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you want to grab the Shopify deal, you'll find the exclusive link down in the description. I've also added a full step-by-step guide if you need help setting up your store from scratch. Hope this video helped you out. Feel free to give it a like, subscribe for more content like this, and thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.